Now, can one of the world's most crowded cities convince people to leave their cars at home? Well, Mumbai's premier business district has launched a unique experiment. Every Friday, commuters are being encouraged to switch to public transport in an effort to reduce traffic congestion and cut emissions. Here's a report on it. Take a look.
Every weekday, nearly 200,000 people travel to Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex, better known as BKC. The district is home to major banks, multinational companies and financial institutions. But it is also one of the city's most traffic-choked business hubs. Now authorities are trying something different. A new initiative called Weekly Public Transport Day is encouraging office-goers to leave their private vehicles behind every Friday.
BKC is a very compact unit. It is a unit where the top finance and service industry people, they work. These are the people who appreciate the use of public transport, and we expect that, and these are the people who are using cars today. So ultimately, if public transport is used or walkability is encouraged, then in that case the use of the fossil fuels is less. It has several multiplier effects.
Commuters are being urged to use metro services, suburban trains, buses and shared mobility options instead of driving to work. To support the effort, transport operators increase services across key routes. Meanwhile, corporate shuttle operators encourage employees to shift from private cars to shared transport. The campaign is being led by the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority in partnership with World Resources Institute India and several corporate firms.
So since the last 1 or 2 years, because of the difficulty we faced in traveling to BKC, especially with the traffic also, we have started using our private vehicles, and me and my colleague both, we travel with private vehicle only because that is the only direct convenient route possible and mode of transport possible. We've been using buses, we've been using trains, but a route from Kurla or anywhere else is not as convenient as it should be.
Authorities say improved metro connectivity and expanded public transport options, they are making it easier for people to switch. Volunteers are also deployed across metro stations, bus stops and entry points into BKC.
So I think if we have good infrastructure, then I think none of us will mind, right? Today we are all in the leadership CXO roles. So we don't mind and we don't feel small coming into the public transports given by the government, and ultimately it's our money which is the deducted tax. So I think this is a brilliant initiative.
But changing commuter habits may take time. Despite the awareness drive, roads across the district continue to see a steady flow of cars, taxis and two-wheelers during peak hours. Many employees welcomed the idea. However, they pointed to a familiar challenge: last-mile connectivity. Authorities say private vehicle traffic dropped by nearly 30%. They believe greater public awareness and continued improvements in connectivity could help make the initiative a long-term success.
The first Friday may not have dramatically changed BKC's traffic landscape, but officials do insist that this is more like a long-term behavioral change campaign rather than a one-day traffic experiment. A real test will be commuters opting for public transport in the weeks ahead. Until then, BKC's ambitious push for public transport remains work in progress, with day one offering more intent than impact. With video journalist Siddesh, this is Disha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.